Are you tired of constantly replacing batteries or dealing with messy cords for your home devices? Today we're reviewing the USB solar panel, a small but powerful 5.5 watt monocrystalline solar charger that can keep your motorized blinds, security cameras, doorbells, and even your smartphone running on free solar energy. This sleek panel measures just 15.7 inches long and 3.1 inches wide, with a thickness of only 0.08 inches, making it easy to mount on a window. It features a built-in 5 volts regulated system and a Sunpower chip, ensuring a stable output without damaging your devices. The anti-reverse charging design prevents power drain at night, so you get maximum efficiency. With a working current of 1000 milliamps and a temperature range of -10 degrees to +50 degrees Celsius, it's built for reliable performance. Installation is a breeze. Simply attach the panel to a window facing outward and connect the USB cable to your device. The Sunpower Monocrystalline Silicin cells achieve up to 24% conversion efficiency, meaning you get high power from a compact area. You can use it to power roller blinds, windows, doorbells, security cameras, and even charge your smartphone via the USB 2.0 interface. In our tests, the panel delivered consistent power on sunny days, keeping our motorized blinds operating smoothly. For security cameras, it provided enough trickle charge to extend battery life significantly. The build quality feels solid, and the thin profile is unobtrusive. One thing to note, the output is 5 volts, so it's not suitable for high-power devices, but for low-power 5-volt gadgets, it's perfect. If you're looking to reduce your carbon footprint and save on electricity, this solar panel is a great investment. It's affordable, easy to set up, and works right out of the box. I highly recommend it for anyone with compatible 5-volt devices. Check the link in the description for the best price and start harnessing the sun's energy today.